Welcome to Compare to Win. The best AC valve core tool is probably one of the most indispensable gadgets for any DIY enthusiast or professional technician tackling automotive or home air conditioning repairs, allowing for swift and mess-free valve core replacement without needing to evacuate the entire refrigerant system, thereby saving significant time, effort, and costly refrigerant, making it an absolute game-changer for maintaining optimal cooling performance. Number 5. WADEO Valve Core Remover Installer Tool Kit. Introducing a revolutionary tool designed for seamless valve core replacement. It allows you to service your AC system without any refrigerant loss or system shutdown. Maintain your equipment efficiently and safely. This kit includes upgraded valve cores featuring a distinctive golden yellow bottom. They offer a longer service life, superior resistance to fluorine, and enhanced heat tolerance compared to standard cores. Enjoy improved durability and performance. Installation is incredibly easy. Simply insert its stem directly into the inner valve core for removal, all without releasing any refrigerant. There's no need to stop your machine, ensuring a smooth and mess-free process. Designed for wide application, this tool is perfect for home refrigeration equipment. Its dual-size ports, SAE 1 4-foot and 5 16, make it compatible with various refrigerant systems like R22, R410, R32, and more. Please note, it is not suitable for automotive AC. Crafted from solid brass, this durable tool features a ball valve that opens and closes with just a quarter turn, preventing gas loss. Its anti-slip design enhances grip, making it easy to handle even overpowered valves. This high-quality craftsmanship ensures rugged and reliable performance. Your package comes complete with everything you need. It includes the valve core remover, an R410 R32 brass adapter, 20 high-quality valve cores, and 10 brass nuts. Get started right away with this comprehensive set. What we like. This tool shines with its dual-size compatibility, making it versatile for various AC systems. If you work with different refrigerant types and need a comprehensive kit, this is an excellent choice. Its design ensures no gas loss during core replacement, saving you time and refrigerant. What people say. Number 4. Lichamp AC R134A R1234YF Valve Core Tool Set. Introducing a specialized tool set designed for your automotive air conditioning needs. It's engineered for seamless removal and installation of valve cores, making your AC maintenance tasks effortless. This versatile set works with standard, JRA, and Schrader valves. For optimal performance with Schrader valves, simply apply a small amount of vacuum grease to the probe tip for a secure attachment. It's ideal for a broad range of automotive air conditioning systems. Whether you're working with R134A, R22, or R1234YF, this tool has you covered. This complete kit includes everything you need for full replacement tasks. You'll find high and low pressure valve core removers, R1234YF connectors, R134A and R22 valve cores, and essential O-rings. For your convenience, it comes in an impact-resistant ABS case. This ensures easy storage and keeps all your components organized and protected for future use. What we like. Designed specifically for automotive AC systems, this set offers broad compatibility with R134A and R1234YF. If you're a mechanic or DIY enthusiast focusing solely on car AC, this specialized kit is perfect. It even comes in a durable case for convenient storage and transport. What people say. Number 3. Mastercool 81490 R134A Valve Core Tool. This innovative tool allows you to remove and replace R134A valve cores without needing to evacuate the entire system. Its built-in shut-off valve keeps the system fully pressurized, saving you time and effort. It is designed to work with most standard R134A valve cores found in vehicles. This tool fits 13 mm low side and 16 mm high side service ports, making it versatile for many automotive AC systems. Please note that this tool may not fit all R134A vehicles. Some Ford, GM, and Chrysler models utilize oversized or non-standard valve cores, so always check compatibility. For broader compatibility with different valve core types, consider other Mastercool kits. Options like 58490, 58560, or 58531 offer solutions for various standard and specialized cores. This tool boasts a simple, one-piece design that is both compact and easy to use. It fits conveniently in your pocket or tool pouch, perfect for both mobile service and in-shop applications. Built for durability, it features hardened steel shafts and a robust brass body. The steel handle with a comfortable rubber sleeve ensures excellent control and a long lifespan in the field. It comes complete with both high and low side connectors. The included 13mm and 16mm service port adapters allow for quick and secure connections to most R134A systems. What we like. This compact tool allows you to replace R134A valve cores without evacuating the system, a huge time saver. If you prioritize efficiency and need to service under pressure, this is your go-to. Its durable, one-piece design is ideal for quick, on-the-go automotive repairs. What people say. The provided source JSON for product reviews was empty. Therefore, no specific points about the AC valve core removal tool could be extracted. Number 2. R134A R1234YF valve core tool. This comprehensive package provides everything you need for automotive air conditioner maintenance. It's designed to simplify your daily disassembly and assembly tasks. You'll receive 3 specialized valve core remover and installer tools. These are crucial for efficient and damage-free operation. The set includes 10 R134A refrigeration Schrader valve cores. These are vital components for many modern AC systems. For older systems, 20 R12 refrigeration Schrader valve cores are also provided. This ensures compatibility across a wider range of vehicles. Additionally, 5 R1234YF refrigeration Schrader valve cores are included. These cater to the latest automotive air conditioning standards. To ensure a perfect seal, 20 O-ring rubber seals are part of the package. They are essential for preventing leaks and maintaining system integrity. What we like. This comprehensive package provides an extensive assortment of valve cores and multiple remover tools. If you frequently encounter various valve core types across different systems, this kit ensures you're always prepared. It's an excellent value for those needing a wide range of replacement parts on hand. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 1. R134A valve core quick remover installer tool set. Before purchasing, please confirm if your car's AC compressor connector is compatible with this tool. It is designed for R134A and R12 valve cores only. Always check your car model's specific valve core type with your dealership to ensure a perfect fit. This tool features an upgraded valve rod crafted from high-quality stainless steel. Its strong suction power securely holds the valve, allowing for removal without any refrigerant loss. This ensures a clean and efficient process. It comes equipped with 2 quick couplers, a red high-pressure coupler, 16mm, and a blue low-pressure coupler, 13mm. These are specifically designed for replacing air conditioning valve cores in various car models. They make the connection process fast and secure. Constructed mainly from brass, with a stainless steel rod and aluminum valves, this tool is built to last. Its quarter-turn ball valve prevents gas loss during operation. The anti-slip design also enhances grip, making it easier to handle stubborn valves. The integrated core grabber tool allows for easy insertion and control of the inner valve core. This innovative feature means you don't need to fully evacuate the AC system, saving time and refrigerant. You'll only need to add a minimal amount after use. The complete package includes a high and low pressure valve core remover, an additional valve core remover, and a generous supply of R134A and 5V1 valve cores. You'll also find 8 car AC caps to complete your service. Everything you need is right here. Always inspect the seal ring for integrity before using the tool. If you encounter any issues or have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are committed to assisting you with any concerns. What we like. Featuring an upgraded valve rod with strong suction power, this tool ensures a firm grip for secure core removal. If you value precision and reliability in preventing refrigerant loss, this is a top contender. Its high and low pressure quick couplers make connecting to car AC systems straightforward and efficient. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.